Today we're showing you a 2010 Kubota BX1860 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA203 quick attach front end loader. Also has the Kubota RCK 54-inch belly mower. So nice complete outfit here. The tractor has just under 1,700 hours on it. Traded the tractor in locally. No known mechanical issues with the machine. It runs and works as it should with no known issues. It does have a front serrated edge there for your cutting edge on your bucket. Overall, the cosmetics of the tractor are still pretty nice. It does have the hydrostat transmission. A little tape on the seat here. Hydrostat transmission there. 3-point hitch, 540 PTO back here, so you can do a brush hog, blade, anything to that nature, and easily handle with this tractor. It's a nice little subcompact tractor, great for chores around the house, maybe around the barn, anything to that nature. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.